Welcome back. In today's video, we would like to talk about strip plots. So first of all, we're going to import the libraries, and let me show you the strip plot. So this is the example of a strip plot. We are having category A, B, and C, and we see that these are the data points on the category A, on category B, and on category C. So, and this is the first plot, and we can have a more customized strip plot, like we change the color, we have a borderline, black borderline, we are having the category B and category C here. But how can we do that? So first of all, we are going to call the seed function in order to ensure the reproducibility, meaning that when we are having a number here, whenever we are going to run the code, it is going to show me the same data. If I comment this part and I run the code several times, it is going to generate the data several times. So in order to keep things simple, we can consider this line of code to ensure the reproducibility. Then we are having the data. So we are having the category and value. For the category, we are having, and these are the categories. So the first three data are in the category A, then the next three are in the category B, and the last four data, they are in category C. Then for the value, we are having the random generation using the NumPy library, and we are generating basically 10 numbers, and each number is going to be assigned to one category. Okay, so first number that is generated is for the category A, the second one and the third one also for A, fourth to sixth ones are for category B, the rest are for the category C. Then we create our data frame. So in order to create that, we call the data frame function from the Pandas library for the data that we are having here, and the name of my data frame is df. Then we are having the figure size 8 by 6 inches. We are calling the strip plot function from the Seaborn library. X equals category. Okay, so the X, we are putting the category for the X. These are A, B, and C. Then for the Y, it is equal to value, that these are the 10 numbers that we generated. And basically for the data, we are having the data frame. And this is the title, so basic strip plot. So you see here, so these are the numbers, the three numbers that were generated for category A, three numbers that were generated for category B, and four numbers that were generated for category C. And we see that the y-axis, the label is value, the title is basic strip plot. So this is the basic strip plot that we are having here. Okay. For the y-axis, we are having value. For the x-axis, we are having category. So for the x-axis, we are having category. For the y-axis, we are having value. And the data frame df is assigned to the data. So this is the initial basic strip plot that we discussed. Now let's go and discuss the customized strip plot. So we are going to use the same data that we generated above, and we are going to have the same size, basically 8 by 6. We are having for the X label, we are having the category. For the Y, we are having value. The data is from the data frame df. We are having the size to be equal to 8, the color is blue, edge color to be black, and the line width to be 1. It is a more customized version. So you see that the color is blue, the edge color is black, and the line width is 1. So the line width is the width of the edge that is black. So if I increase the line width, for example, here instead of 1, I put 5, you will see that you see much more thicker border line. So you can modify this, and you can, for example, change the color, change the size, etc. So if I, instead of 8, I put 10, for example, and I run, you see that the dots are bigger, so data points are bigger. So this is basically how we can consider having a strip plot, the basic strip plot, and with a little bit more customization.